One thing that I'm most proud of, actually, is the team that we've built at Enate and the way that we work with our customers. And I think it is different, but any vendor's going to say, yeah, we're different to work with. We're better to work with than the next person. What's your experience of working with us day to day been like? And you've been able to relax around AI, which is great. Is there anything else to share around that experience of working with Enate? And is it like working with other vendors, or is it a little bit different?
It's different. With Enate, I really feel that we have a relationship with a partner, not just with a vendor.
Okay.
And that's key. One of the reasons why I'm here today speaking to you, Kit, because I'm very far away from home, is I'm in London today speaking because I invited you to a workshop to fix business problems, and I had you, the CTO of Enate, be able to come to me not to sell me a new service or not to sell me a new feature of Enate, but rather help me think through a business problem, and amongst you and other of our vendors, help me come up with the best solution possible that, sure, it will include Enate as our beating heart, but will help me come up with the best solution to fix a business problem. Now, that's something that I don't get with many other of my vendors, and that's something that I really appreciate, and it speaks a lot about the relationship between TMF and Enate. And it's not only you. I can say the same thing about your direct team and your indirect team as well, that they're always there, ready to help when we have a problem.
That is really, really satisfying to hear. That's really nice to hear.